Hello everyone and welcome to Stocking Flower Making by Janet's Creative Flowers. This is tutorial 8 and we are going to learn how to make carnations. So this is our beautiful carnation, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to make this beautiful carnation. Yeah, this is really looking beautiful. First we will see the materials required. First we need a stocking cloth. Then we need thread to tie the petals, a container to make circles, pair of scissors, green floral tape, and a plier and flower making wire. Okay, yeah, and then a plastic stick to make the flower making wire zigzag. So now I'll keep everything aside and I'll make this wire zigzag. Take a wire like this and roll it on this plastic stick which I have, like this. Yeah, just push it out. Okay. Pull it a little where it is more zigzag. Pull it a little. Take the container and make your circle. Okay, like this. Be careful. Yeah, wires are a bit sharp. Okay. Now use the stocking cloth. Now wrap this stocking cloth on this petal. Wrap the stocking cloth on this petal. Like this. Be careful that nothing is missed out. Wire is properly wrapped. Then tie the petal by making knots. And then cut the wire. Also cut the extra wire. Cut the extra wire. Okay. So we are done this much. Now I need how many petals? I need 24 petals like this. So let me make 24 petals. I'll get back to you. Yeah, so here I have my 24 petals ready. To make carnation we need 24 petals. Sometimes we might need one more or one less. So it is always a good practice to make some 25 to 26 petals. So I have made and kept aside. At present I am using this 24 petals. Yeah, okay. So what we have to do is pick one petal and then you have to pull this petal little up like this. Okay. After pulling it up, what you have to do is place your index finger on the middle of the flower and press it little inside. You have to make a petal like this. First pull it and then, yeah, like this. No, so it was like this, now became like this. Yeah, okay, so so I'll take one more petal, pull it and press it inside using the thumb finger and the third finger. Yeah, so your petal will look like this. So I'm going to do this for all 24 petals. So here my all 24 petals are ready. Pulled and little twisted at the bended at the center, which looks like this. Now I'm going to arrange these flowers into all these petals into a carnation flower, which is going to look like this. Yeah. Okay, so let me start. Yeah. Now, how we have to, there is a way to tie these petals. First, take one petal. How to make this sharp. Take any one petal and tie it. This is our first petal of carnation. Okay. Yeah. Now pick another petal, and that has to start from the center of the first petal. This is my another petal, which I am going to start like this. Like this. So the one side of the first petal is placed inside the center of another petal, like this. Okay, so two petals are done. Yeah. Now I'm going to arrange my third petal. Third petal is again in the center, starts from the center, like this. Tie it. Yeah, so this is how it is going to look. So it's like one petal is starting from the end of another petal, like this. This is my first round, where first I am using only 3 petals. Now second round is simple, the way we have done for other petals, we are going to arrange it in the round. Now in between 2 petals, take another petal, like this. This is my second round. Yeah. Now just arrange in a circle. Now there is no such rule that from where it has to start. Just arrange it in a circle. I'll complete my second circle now. Okay. Yeah. Now this completed my second round. First 3 petals and then the 4 petals. Now I'm going to start with my third round. Again, my third round starts from the center of 2 flowers. Here. Yeah. Okay. Now again arrange flowers in the same way, one after the another, side to side. So now just completed my third round. So if you see, yeah, just completed my third round, and I'm going to arrange flowers for the last round, that is 4th round, starting from the middle here. That completes our flower. Yeah. Okay. So I'll start. Same process. Start from the middle of 2 petals. Here it will look like this. Wrap the thread. Tie the knot. Yeah. Okay. Now arrange in a circle. One petal. Second petal. Yeah. So all 24 petals in place, and our carnation is ready. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah. Okay. Now, yeah, I have to give the finishing. So first wrap the thread. Now there are too many wires, so we have to wrap the thread carefully, a bit tight we have to hold. Yeah. Be careful that it doesn't hurt you, and wrap it until the end. Tie the knot in the end. Cut the extra thread. If you feel you have to tie the petals more tight, you can give one more. Yeah, you can tie it with the thread once again. Now I'm using the. Yeah. Now because we are tying so many petals, this type of structure is obvious, up and down, here and there. So using green tape, we can cover up everything. So wherever the white is visible, okay, tuck in the green tape, okay, carefully. Petals should not be spoiled or hampered. Okay. Like this. Tuck it in. Yeah, we can take care of everything. That's not a problem. Just finish one round first. This much. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Fine. Tuck this in. Yeah. Still the whites are visible. Okay, no problem. We can put more this. Like this. Like this. Covering them. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yeah, we covered it beautifully. That's fine. Little visible here. That's fine. You can make multiple rounds of this green tape, and we are covering everything. Just tuck it in. This green petal has some gum in it, so it is like stands properly. It doesn't come out. Wrap the cloth until the end. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. This is my previous carnation. This is little small because I use small circles. This carnation is little big because I used big circles. So it's up to you. Proper dimensions are not required. You want a big carnation, go for a big circle. You want a small carnation, go for a small circle. That's all. Aren't they beautiful? Thank you for watching.
So if you like my work, the flowers and the flower making process, please subscribe to my channel. I am happy if you give a like, and if you have any questions or would like to give some comments, you are free to put your comments in the comment section, and if you would like to share it, that is well and good. Thank you everyone.